Always party is there, grassroots workers are there. Only the leaders, MLAs, they have gone, but party is still there, and we are working in the grassroots level. As usual, I always said, even in the news, we have a district congress committee, we are intact. We have block congress committee, we have polling station congress committee. Tomorrow we are having a meeting to review all these things block wise. And as my knowledge goes, I'm in charge Garo Hills. All the block now they are aggressively doing the enrollment drive. See, I told you, Congress vote bank are still there. We must give to a right candidate. If we are going to a right candidate, good candidate, each and every constituency, definitely Congress party will vote back. No. It's too early to identify the candidates. We have a procedure in the party. Definitely this time also we will follow the procedure. But now it's too early to project the candidates. Whoever wants to contest, let them work hard in the grassroots. Now it's too early to tell you because I don't want to mislead news. So now we cannot say this much, but still time. People are started working now. By maybe October, November, I can tell you how many Congress are winning. But I hope the way people are working now, we will definitely get good number from Garo Hills as usual. See, election, always tough. It's challenging. And I just wanted to tell you in Garo Hills, fight will be between Congress and NPP only.
So are you ruling out AITC?
That's why it's a new party. That's why, according to my opinion now, according to my assessment, fight will be between NPP and Congress. I'm telling you.